Welcome students. Sixth class mathematics. Today we shall study some problems on HCF and LCM. Some problems on HCF and LCM. The questions are given in your exercise number 3.7. Exercise 3.7. Let us take the first question. In the first question, we are given, first read the sentence. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Who purchases fertilizer bags? Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight. We need to find maximum value of weight. Maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So, to find the answer for this question, find the HCF of these two weights. First bag, its weight is 75 kg and the second fertilizer bag, its weight is 69 kg. We need to find HCF of 75 and 69. Take the first number 75, find its prime factors. First divide by 3. 3 25s are 75, divide 25 by 5, 5 5s are 25, once again divide 5 by 5, 5 1s are 5. Second number, it is 69, take 69, divide by the prime number 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 23 is divisible by 23 only, 23 1s are. Therefore, 75 is equals to, prime factorization of 75 is equals to 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 5. Similarly, prime factorization of 69 is equals to 3 into 23. In both the prime factorization, which factor is common? Yes, 3 is common. Common factor. Common factor is equals to 3 only. It is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 75 and 69 is equals to 3. Therefore, the value of the maximum value of weight which can be measured the weight of both the fertilizer is 3. Second question. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter. Measure of steps of 3 boys are 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? We need to find minimum distance covered by all the boys. We need to find minimum distance covered by each boy in complete steps. To find the answer for this question, take the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. It is the answer. It is the minimum distance covered by each boy in their complete steps. Therefore, take the 3 numbers 63, 70 and 77. The given 3 numbers are 63. Find the prime factorization of 63. First number 63 dividing by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are. Once again 21 is divisible by 3. 3 7s are. Then 7 1s are. Second number 70. Take the prime factorization of 70. Divide 70 by first prime number 2. 2 35s are 70. Now 35 is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35. And now divide 7 by 7. 7 1s are. Similarly, take the third number 77. That is 77. Divide 77 by 7. 7 11s are. Then divide by 11. 11 1s are. 63 can be written as, therefore 63 is equals to 3 into 3 into 7. 3 into 3 into 7. And 70 can be written as 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7. Similarly, the third number 77 can be written as 7 into 7. These are the prime factors. This is the prime factorization of 63, 70 and 77. In the prime factorization, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Therefore, LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is equals to find the number of each prime number, how many times, maximum number of times appeared 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. In all these prime factorization, factor 2 appears only once, take 2 one time only. Then 3 appeared 2 times, maximum number of 3 appeared is 2, 3 into 3. Next, take number 5. 5 appeared in the prime factorization, maximum number of 5 appears is once only, take 5 one time. Then 7 appear only once in each the factorization. In the prime factorization of 63, 7 appears once only. In the prime factorization of 70, number 7 appears once only. Similarly, in the 77, 7 appear only once. Take 1 times 7 only into, similarly 11 appears. Maximum number of 11 appeared is once only, it is 11. Now take the product of all these numbers. See here, 11 into 7 is 77, and see here 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Take their product. 9 7s are 63, 6 carries, 9 7s are 63 plus 6 69, put 0, this is the product. So LCM of all these three numbers is 6930. Our question is, what is the minimum distance each should cover the distance in complete steps? So the minimum distance each should cover in complete steps is 6930 centimeter. Therefore, the minimum distance should be covered by each boy is 6930 centimeter. Similarly, students, there is one more question. The length, breadth and height of room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of room exactly. Question number 3. In the question number 3, we are given the length, breadth and height of the room. Length of L is the length of room. It is given 825 centimeter. Breadth is given, B represents the breadth of the room. It is 675 centimeter. And height of the room is given, height is 450 centimeter. Our question is, find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. We need to find the longest tape To find the longest tape to measure the dimensions of the room is to find the HCF of these three numbers. We need to find HCF of length, breadth and height. Take the first number, length 825. 825. Divide this number by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 2, then it is 22. 3 7s are 21. Remaining 1, it is 15. 3 5s are 15. Next, divide by 5. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2. Then it is 25. 5 5s are. Once again divide by 5. 5 11s are 11 1s are. Second number, breadth is 675. Find the prime factors of 675 by prime factorization. Divide by 3. 3 2s are 6. Once again 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1, it is 15. 3 5s are. Once again divide 225 by 3. 3 7s are 21. Remaining 1, it is 15. 3 5s are 15. Once again divide by 3. 3 25s are 75. Now divide 25 by 5. 5 5s are 25. Once again divide by 5. 5 1s are. Similarly, take the third number, height. It is 450. Divide this number first by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then it is 50. 2 25s are 50. Divide this number by 3. 3 7s are 21. Remaining 1. Then it is 15. 3 5s are 15. Divide 75 by 3. 3 25s are 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1. Then it is 15. 3 5s are 15. Divide 25 by 5. 5 5s are 5 1s are. Therefore, now write the prime factorization of each number. 825 is equals to 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. Second number 675. 3 3 times, 5 2 times. 675 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. And then 450. 450 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Therefore, highest common factor of 825, 675 and 450 is equals to 3 is common in all the three factorization. Similarly, 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 5 into 5 is common in all the three factorization. Therefore, to find HCF, first write 1 time 3 into 5 into 5 2 times. That is equals to 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75 centimeter. Therefore, the length of required longest tape to measure the dimensions of the room is 75 centimeter. Therefore, the length of required longest tape to measure the dimensions of room is 75 centimeter. Similarly, students, in the exercise 3.7, try to solve the remaining questions.